Hey champs, today we are going to learn how to implement log, dynamic log, custom log in PHP. Before diving in, I want to share something with my champions. If you want to learn programming, you need to understand code. To understand code, you need to watch entire video. So I want, I encourage all my champions to watch the entire video to get the most out of this learning experience. Now let's dive into the code. So first, here we can create a function. Most of the times you need to create a function in PHP. You should to create. Actually, you don't need. You should to create function because it's very easy to work on in function. Okay, so first create load and here we can add message and now fopen open a file. So here we can add error.log. If this file is exist, mm, so no problem. If it is not exist, so this will create automatically this file. Handle fwrite and here we can add message. Now don't forget to close this handle. Now create log. Here we can add dash. This is error message. Okay. Now we can check in the browser. Hit this. Okay. Now you can check the file is created or not. Open. The file will be created and this is the error message. I already had. So now f open handle message. So MSG, custom MSG. Now add here MSG SG dot. So mostly we can add this type of message in the error log. Now we can check. Okay, custom message. Custom message. Now we can hit again and check the difference. MSG, this is the error message. So this is level of our message. Now we are going to create okay. Now here we can, if we want to modify this error message more. So now if we have a function to create list, if you enjoy this lesson, you need don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, like this video. Okay, now create list and here we can. Okay, now here I am adding an array. array 1, 2, 3, because we need sometimes array or object. Always we don't want message. So now array, but in this case we need to change something. Create list and remove this. Now create log 1, 2, 3 array. So here we can change because this is not string. Now this is array. So in this array we need to add encode as JSON. Now go to the browser and check what is the difference between this. This is 1, 2, 3. And now if you want to add time and if you want to add function name where the log is working, okay, so now here we can use create log, add a parameter is function name. So we know after some time if we are stacking log, so we will know where this log is running. Okay, now here to add and comma separated fun, function. So function name, function name, and now, okay, now if we are hitting again, so the new line will be add function name also in our log, message and function name. And if you want to add time here, so you need to add time is also here. Time, time, add date. So here is D M Y H I S. So this is day, month, and year, hour, minute, and second. If you want any other format, you can choose any other format. Okay. So now we can check this again, hit again, PHP file, and now here we can check time is also here. So time, message, and function. If you want to any other parameter, you can add here. So now, friends, if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, you like this video, and leave a comment below, let me know if there are any other things you would like me to cover, and make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you very much for watching.